Dakota, you there, Bubba?
I'm here. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Hope you're all having an amazing day. Today we're going to be playing Rogue Company with Mr. imsockz over here. Say what's up to everybody.
I am a world record holder.
We are world record holder.
Yeah, but see, like, I told you to get on.
You're right. Anyways, if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop
And
down
go
below.
support me on GoFundMe.
Yeah, do that too. Drop down below in the comments what y'all want to see next on the channel, and just talk to me down there. I respond. Without further ado, let's get into this game.
Because that's the only notification I get on my phone.
Honestly, I'm gonna just camp behind this bar like I normally do. And get hella kills. Oh, wait, is that teammate shooting at you?
I just 360 that motherfucker. Wow, I'm streaming right now.
Really?
Wow, that sucks.
There's only one Anvil in this town, baby. And that's me. Oh, hell
There's only one, there's only one sexual predator in this town, son.
Hey, yo. That's a little sus.
Why don't we just dance up the hall, baby? Let me stop. You might get copyrighted because how good I sound. Holy shit, this dude literally. Why don't you roll you roll everywhere you go? What are you fucking? I'm not even resin his teammates. What the fuck?
Wait, you can roll when you're down?
No, you can. What he did?
Yeah, he did. Man, it's just straight roll.
I think he probably wasn't in crouch.
Why did that guy have golden shield? That's kind of sus. I don't like that.
I don't know.
Come on,
I'll
knock it
revive you,
off.
buddy. I got you. Oh,
Help me, 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 help
We got a
me.
YouTube
Hit
on
me.
our team, my guy.
Hit me, hit me, hit me. Hit me in there. Oh, sugar titty fucking dick. Okay, so remember those guys that are above us on the world record?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we found them.
Probably.
100%.
All I'm saying is that one character got like mad shield. Yo,
I can remember to cut that out. Goddamn.
Virtually
I feel like you're one of those people. Honest to God, I feel like you're one of those people that literally records a video and like never ends up editing it. Like you probably have like 1,000.
No, actually, I have one video that's in the middle of being edited right now. The rest of them corrupted. Not gonna lie, I had 4. Oh, that's a negative teeth. I'm about to die. Shit.
Oh, that's awkward.
If this barrier actually went, you know, I'm not gonna complain about the barrier. I do that too much. I'm not even gonna complain about it. I'm gonna just let it be.
Let it be. Get on your knees.
I just read it. Oh, I'm having such a good time, Trevor. Are you having a good time? World record holders, by the way.
Weak like American drink.
Goes around, comes
So that
around, and
man
goes
can
in the other
literally roll
butt.
while he's down.
Skill is obvious.
Get up, Rogue.
Where are they? Reinforcements. Slow.
Gotta reload.
Dude, this guy is literally the rolling
Right?
champion. Like that's Dr. Doom himself. Dr. Doom. I'm stupid.
After disrespect.
Do you not know who Dr. Doom is though?
Yes. Of course I do. Reload, hurry.
Jesus Lord, please help me not kill myself tonight. Damn it. All those times I said I hope to God I do have cancer. Kind of regretting it now.
Yeah. I don't think you got cancer, my guy. That's not getting edited out of the video, by the way.
Why does he have to come along every single thing I do?
Oh my god.
Boy, he literally just shoved his gun up my ass. Holy shit.
I got him.
God,
No. I'm
we're
gonna
out of
him.
lives. The thing is, I don't have my character, bro.
Who are you using? Right. That's my worst trait in this YouTube channel.
That's my persona I bring to the channel, dog. Inconsistency. Then damn, my mama was the best mama in the whole wide world.
Well, I'm saying I ain't gonna be doing those daily uploads like you, my guy.
I don't do daily uploads. Fuck you, moving. Well, I don't upload. This guy over there. Peak, bitch. Make day.
Come on, hit him. You got this.
Why? Oh yeah, good job. On me. Res. 368. Get up, bro. Suck my cock, dog.
Wait, you're Dallas, aren't you?
Are you fucking shitting me right now? This bitch literally rezzed me and walked away. She rezzed me and literally was at the very end and she walked away.
Wow, that's kind of sus.
Just because she saw somebody coming.
How long has it been?
Speaking of sus, how the hell do you roll? The hell?
Let's go, baby. I mean, revived. Hey, that was kind of lit. Not gonna lie. We got this.
Oh god.
Why do we do better by ourselves? I think our team.
Tell me why Jawan just blew up out of the damn team.
Go here.
Damn, I got a throbbing erection. Dakota, I'm chilling back here, brother.
Come on, try again.
Behind him.
How is he gonna start shooting me before he's even around the corner? That is so.
What goes around, partner?
Yo, res. Alright.
Oh, never mind. Oh, my bad. I totally forgot you were a thing.
That makes me feel good about myself.
I just died. It makes you feel good. Don't worry about it.
It don't make me feel good. It makes me sad.
Makes me horny.
Oh.
Oh, damn, son. Wait a minute. Weak like a American drink. Honestly, don't know how my mom and dad's divorce went. Bitch.
Deploying utility.
They're in there camping, bro. I got the backside.
45 seconds and this one's ours.
You got that way, I got the other way.
He's low.
Wow. No, don't let him finish. Yo, res. Hello. Whatever his game. I love how I get yoinked to the fucking sky. Baby girl, what's your name? Come on, let me tell you again. Put it in your butt, baby girl. Come and make me nut.
I think we win automatically though. Shit.
Kick my heels off and shout, throw my hands back and come on.
I just changed the color of my keyboard. I don't even know how. What the hell? That's better.
I heard the wind in this game and I literally thought somebody done busted down my damn door.
FBI, open up.
Then I realized, wait a minute, my door's open. What the hell? Oh. I thought I was getting banned for a minute.
All the team quits but me and Dakota. Okay.
He's taking, one guy, the
Wait,
guy's AFK. The guy
Are
picks
you
up
listening to
food.
your own video in the background?
Everything's just right.
No, why?
Why can I hear it?
Fight. But us two took out a team of 4 in strikeout. We had a total of like
No.
Yeah, 90 bomb, you're right. My bad.
Holy shit, I just found the orgy of the century. Holy god. I don't think I'm gonna post this thing. I'm just gonna keep this for like clip purposes. Can you ow? You can't tell me that my webcam does not look legit though.
Webcam is kind of lit, my guy.
Oh, just kinda, that's all it is. Yeah.
Only kinda. You're not there yet.
Only kinda. Oh baby, tell me your sweet spot and I'll get there.
Yo, why is this guy fast?
Why am I lagging my dick off, brother? This guy just like lagged out of my game. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
That brother just had a whole stroke while we were having a gunfight. Just literally just.
Yo, y'all come to me. I'm stuck in arcade.
Oh, I'll come, baby. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, I am coming. Stuck in arcade? You f***ing how the hell? Where the? Oh, that's how you play. You just hit the corner and let my ass get all shot up.
I was literally stuck.
Deploying utility.
Am I lagging?
I don't know, are you? Oh no, I am.
This lobby is balls, dog. It's the lobby.
Yeah, they running into the wall. As soon as I run out in them, I get murked. Corona.
Dude. I wish that was fake.
What?
What's wrong?
That
I don't know.
is so dumb.
What?
Kyle, I just died behind the bar. Let's go. Meet me up there.
Hey, that's my uncle camped.
Okay.
Deploying
He down.
utility.
I'm coming, daddy. I'm coming, daddy. I'm right here with you. Pete. How the hell do I jump over this thing?
Alright, you just like straight up, you don't
Love
want
you.
that kill from me, my guy. I'm stuck. Oh, it's just us. Alright, you know the drill.
Deploying utility.
You know the drill. Hey, guess what? I failed. Oh my god, damn, Trevor Jr. over there.
Jesus.
Holy shit.
What in the
Damn.
hell?
God, he has some anger out of his damn childhood. Holy shit.
Just
God.
axed the hell out of him.
Hey, asked you doing. He asked me how I'm doing.